Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a Oral-B Genius thing here. It's a toothbrush, but not as we know it. I have got a Sonicare one, so I've been using Sonicare since for the past 14 years, but just decided to try something a bit more higher end, and with a Bluetooth app thing. So this has got an app thing on it. You can get an app. The Sonicare one, it does a 3D simulation of your teeth, whereas with this one I don't think it does. It does something different, and I've heard it doesn't quite work with Android. But with this you get a nice little, it's magnetic, that's nice. Oral-B Genius 9000 Brawn Intact. So this is the highest end Oral-B one you can get. I think it was like 90 quid. It's an intelligent brush. It cleans like your dental professional recommends. So did that to clean like your dental professional recommends. I'm not sure that makes sense, but yeah, there we go. Stuff on here. Brush heads. Oh, by the way guys, do not use Wow Chair. I had to wait a month for something, and that was after chasing it up, so I think that's a bit of a scam. But anywho, brush oscillates, rotates and pulsates to remove and sweep plaque away for up to 100% more plaque removal versus a regular manual toothbrush. 6 cleaning modes: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening, tongue cleaner, pro cleaner mode for an extraordinary clean feeling. This is the app thing here, the Genius bit. It's got a suction cup thing that you stick on your mirror, and then you just look at your phone while you do it. And we get another box, a box within a box. So what do we get in the box? You get this thing, which is in a bag, which is sealed, pops out like this. You get a nice little case here. Oh, it's quite nice. It smells horrible, but there we go. Clips on. It's like a little a thing a woman would use for makeup or something, I don't know. Got an app holder thing there, holding a phone. Oh, it does. That's pretty cool. Oh. Let's just put it on a stable surface here. You put your phone on there. Yeah, it stays up. So if you're out traveling, you could probably just put this on the mirror. It's got a dual charger, I think. I think you can put your power supply in there. It's got a USB charger as well, so it's got a pass-through. I think this is the one with it. So you can charge your phone as well as your toothbrush if you're traveling a lot. So here we go. You just brush your teeth with this, which is a it's an actual motor, this one. With the Sonicare, it's a sonic pulse. So I'm not sure I like this straight off the bat. Printed material, Genius, 8,000 to 9,000. It's probably the same. You get a similar thing with the 8,000. You get a 1-year warranty for free, plus 1 year, so that's 2 years. 3 years, you get a 3-year warranty. That's confusing. So here are all the heads here. White, tri-zone, cross action, precision clean, sensitive clean. Charger, 2-pin. This is for your this goes in the thingy here. So it's a 2-pin adapter. This has got a custom proprietary shape there, so it has to go in one way. It's not a figure of 8 cable. It goes in there, you charge it up using this 2-pin, which is a plug adapter thing for shavers. It's the suction cup for your mobile phone. So you put your phone, suction cup goes on there, and then this it pulls out like that, so you can put it in like that. That is very secure. So now you've got your phone there. You've got that one, a little ring that's detached there. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be detached. You get a pink one, you get a blue one, you get a greenish one, you get this door hanger thing. What is it? This is a storage for your heads, so you can put your heads in there and store them. Pretty cool, huh? And now we've got this, which is another little adapter in a little box. There's some sellotape on it, quality product. And you've got another thing here, so I guess this is for everyday other. It's just a standard charger here. So that clips in quite well actually. So the only thing I'm not too keen on is the actual, let's use a blue one. Little ring, I mean this is just ridiculous, isn't it? I tell you what, I think I'm preferring Sonicare thus far. What do you do? I should probably RTFM.